I'm here with William E. Phillips II, who's running for Circuit Court Judge Part 2 in the 3rd Judicial District. And first off, William, just tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, sure. First, thank you for having me today and giving me this opportunity. As you and your listeners probably know, I was appointed to the position of Circuit Court Judge Part 2, which was previously held by Judge Tom Wright. He retired early, and when one retires early, it's the obligation of the governor to appoint someone to fill that role. Other than that, I was licensed to practice law in 2002. I've practiced law for the last 20 years. I currently live in Rogersville, where I'm married to my wife, Erica, who works in the school system, and we have two boys, Will and Mac.
So why have you decided to run for election?
Well, when the seat was vacated by Judge Wright prior to the expiration of his term, I was contacted by several members in the legal community about wanting to fill the role with someone that would continue to bring integrity to the position, such as Judge Wright did, someone with the requisite experience to adjudicate the controversies before the circuit court. And I think with my 20 years of experience of having practiced in that court, I know that I can do a good job in that role, and I believe that I have over the last 6 months since serving in the position.
So what are your plans if you are elected?
Well, my plans initially are to continue the great legacy of judges we've had here in the 3rd Judicial District. We've been very blessed to have an exemplary judiciary here. I pledge to the citizens of the 3rd Judicial District to continue to bring integrity, honesty, and fairness to that position with me every day. With regard to new programs, there already exists a recovery court program for the 3rd Judicial District, which is applied to people that receive felony sentences in the district. Judge Boniface oversees that program currently in Hamblen County, and Judge Boniface and I hope to continue to expand that program into Greene and Hawkins County.
And is there anything else you'd like to say before we go?
I'm honored to have received this position. It is an honor that I try to be worthy of every day. And as I've already said, I certainly pledge to the citizens of Greene County and all the counties in the Judicial District to take my job seriously, to perform it with integrity, compassion, patience, and to continue to do the very best job that I can do. I love my job. I love interacting with the attorneys and the litigants and the court staff and court security. And I humbly ask the listeners to vote for me in the upcoming election to allow me to retain my job.
That was William E. Phillips II, who's running for Circuit Court Judge Part 2 in the 3rd Judicial District.